Welcome back to Knife Macros, a series where we show you knives so up close and personal, there's a good chance you may slice your eyeballs. Here we're looking at the all-new Kurouchi finish by Yoshikane. In this case, we have the 8.25-inch 210mm Kiritsuke. This has stainless steel cladding with a Kazumi mid-blade and the new, as we would describe as a fine, a polished Kurouchi, and some would even say that it is a black Nashiji, but this is what Yoshikane is calling a Kurouchi finish, which is replacing all of the Nashiji finish knives for the Shirogami No. 2 series. This has a Sanmai blade 50/50 double bevel coming in at a 62 to 63 Rockwell. The handle is octagonal and made of stabilized birch. This, along with the other new Kurouchi finish blades from Yoshikane, are available at cutleryandmore.com. Enjoy the rest of the video.